Welcome to the Pai Katha series, your single scoop of spirituality.
It's my favorite season of the year, the season of the mangoes.
I can smell them, I can taste them everywhere, and I love mango milkshakes. And what about mango pickle?
Yes, I just started making them this morning. Takes a lot of patience to dice them up.
Oh yeah, you have some patience, yeah. So I can expect a batch of pickles in a nice
Definitely.
glass jar arriving at my doorstep very soon, isn't it?
Most definitely.
Because all that focus and patience that you have, I think you must share that a little with me as the end
That
product.
also.
But we think, adults can focus, go about their daily activities, but you'll be amazed to know how children also can be really focused. If they are determined, they can be very focused. There's this really lovely story. It's an African folklore of this young girl. Her name is Penda. She stays in the grasslands with her mummy and daddy. The daddy actually works on the farm and the mummy is at home preparing the food. The mummy has to go every day and give the glass of milk to the father. As the mummy is getting out of her hut, Penda comes running to her and says, Mama, I would like to go today and give daddy his glass of milk. And mind you, it's not just a glass, it's actually the real organic way of a coconut shell. And Penda says that she is going to take this milk and walk all the way to the grasslands. The mummy is a little reluctant, but of course, Penda being her adamant self, she gets her way and she says, I will do this for daddy. So her mother gives her the advice, don't spill the milk, Penda. So she's got this focused into her mind that she must not spill any milk. She goes walking and then she sees this amazing masked dancers. So Penda tells herself, no, don't stop. You have to keep going, girl. You have to be focused. She ignores them and she keeps walking. Then she has to go over these sand dunes. So she takes the journey up and down and she keeps telling herself, Penda, focus. You must not spill a drop of milk. After the sand dunes comes the river. She goes and then she stands in the river and there comes the fishing boat. Before she can even see the fishing boat, she can actually smell it because of all the stinky fish. But she braces herself. She says, no, this milk has to go to daddy. Don't spill any milk, Penda. And she climbs into the boat and the boat is like hobbling on the water. She's focused and then she holds the coconut shell firmly on her head. Then she gets down and she sees this whole group of tall white giraffes. She's so amazed and dazzled. But then again, this voice keeps telling her, no, Penda, be focused. You must not spill any milk. Keep going. And she has one final roadblock, hurdle, whatever you say, is a steep mountain that she has to climb. On the other side is the grasslands where her father is working in the farms. She keeps telling herself, Penda, focus. Don't spill a drop of milk. And she's so happy because she hasn't spilled a drop of milk on the way. And then she goes over there and she says, Daddy! And then she gives the bowl of milk. And they're standing below this most abundant mango tree. And as she's giving that milk, a very big mango from the tree lands on the bowl. All the milk is spilt out of that coconut shell. She didn't spill any milk, not a drop of milk from that bowl. And then so much of hurdle she passes and then she's so focused and she comes and then, she gives this. The mango had to land and the whole bowl is empty. And she starts wailing. Then her daddy hugs her and he says, Penda, it is okay. It is not the milk that is important. That bowl actually had your love for me. So that bowl was full of love. So it's such a beautiful story, and the whole story ends with the father and the daughter sitting under the tree and they are enjoying the mango, the taste, or as you would say, the fruits of success of having the lunch together.
What a powerful story. I'm amazed at how they find joy in the moment, how the father has taught Penda to focus more on the success rather than on the failures, and how he tells her that because she brought love in the bowl, it was love that spilled all over. spilling over everywhere. And even though the milk spilt, even we feel happy that it spilt, because then now they could enjoy the mango instead of the milk. What would you be grateful for when things don't work out?
Really, as you very rightly said, I think it's in the moment. We keep working to our full potential, but at the end, we may not receive our desired expectations. But you never know, around the corner, there must be something more better, something that will make you more happy than what even you expected. So I think our main aim should be having faith in the process and be focused in what you have to do. Consistency is the key to greater success.
And also, Penda has taught me it's more about the journey. You learn and you grow in the journey
Exactly.
rather than the destination.
Until next time, keep listening to us and, of course, to the voice that echoes within.